Go Time Gear's Life Tent is a waterproof and windproof 2-person emergency shelter that will protect you from harsh weather and keep you alive. The Life Tent is constructed of extra thick, tear and puncture resistant material that locks out rain, wind, and snow. Unlike an ordinary tube tent, the Life Tent's reflective interior reflects up to 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm and protecting you from hypothermia. Setting up the Life Tent is quick and easy so you can rapidly protect yourself in an emergency. Simply run the 20-foot rope of 550-pound nylon core paracord through both ends of the tent and tie it between 2 trees or sturdy objects 3 to 4 feet off the ground. Anchor the corners of the tent using rocks or gear and climb inside to safety. If there's nowhere for you to tie the paracord rope and prop up your tube tent, there's no need to panic. The Life Tent can also be used as an emergency sleeping bag or blanket. The Life Tent comes rolled up inside of a nylon stuff sack that includes our patent-pending Paracinch technology drawstring, combining 9-strand nylon core 550-pound paracord and a thunderous 120 decibel survival whistle that's powerful enough to cut through strong wind and trees, alerting rescuers up to 1 mile away. You'll have an emergency-ready survival tube tent with a powerful signaling whistle, so you have the essential tools to stay alive and signal for help. Even though the Life Tent is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand and weighs just 8.7 ounces, it's durable enough for dangerous survival scenarios and for repeated use. So once you're done using it, simply fold it, roll it back up, and slide it into the waterproof nylon stuff sack. Whether you're looking to add a lightweight emergency shelter to your hiking, camping, or hunting bag for an unplanned night outside, or you need a tough, reliable survival tube tent for your bug-out bag or emergency preparedness supplies.
When hiking in the backcountry, the elements can be unforgiving. Accidents happen in a flash, so you need to be prepared. Water damage is the enemy to your emergency supplies, but so are disorganized first aid kits. Thankfully, a new waterproof first aid kit is making a splash. Introducing the Surviveware Small Waterproof First Aid Kit. 600D TPU material. With premium quality internal supplies. A durable and compact first aid kit. IPX7 certified waterproof rating. Designed to protect your supplies. Perfect for hiking, backpacking, and outdoor adventures. Its many features make it the perfect companion on your outdoor adventure. 100% waterproof. Because this kit is so well organized, it becomes your guide during an emergency. Invest in an organized system for your safety. Surviveware. Our kits do the thinking for you.
The Sawyer Mini is the most versatile personal filtration system available. It's a perfect solution for backpacking, hiking, hunting, fishing, scouting, international travel, and emergency preparedness. At a mere 2 ounces, the Mini fits in the palm of your hand and can filter up to 100,000 gallons of water from any freshwater lake, river, or stream. The Sawyer Mini has a 0.1 micron absolute pore size. It was tested to 10 million parts of bacteria and 1 million parts of protozoa without a single breakthrough. This is the highest level filters can be tested to, so we're confident these are the highest rates of filtration available. The Sawyer Mini will remove harmful bacteria and protozoa like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, but it won't remove chemicals or viruses. However, viruses are rarely found in the water in North America and in foreign cities. The Mini can be used the following ways. Attach it to a Sawyer squeeze pouch and drink directly from the filter or dispense into a water bottle. Use it as a personal drinking straw to drink directly from the source or scoop up a bottle of water and drink instantly. The Mini screws directly onto most standard water bottles, which is great for suspect water overseas. Use it inline on a hydration pack. This allows you to fill your hydration pack directly from the source and filter water as you're drinking through the bite valve. Sawyer filters are so robust, they can be backwashed with high pressures and reused over and over again. Cleaning the Sawyer Mini is really simple. You just take the included cleaning plunger and fill it up with some filtered water. Then take the Mini, and insert the tip of the plunger into the end of the filter opposite of the flow arrow. Then forcefully push the water back through the Mini. You repeat this process a couple times until the water comes through clear and easy and you have a clean filter.
The NanoHeat blanket is the ultimate travel blanket. It delivers soft, heat-reflective warmth and dry comfort in a light, compactable blanket that you will use and reuse again and again. You can use it camping, throw it on the ground at a concert or picnic, wrap it around you to keep warm, or keep it in your backpack or purse, just in case you get chilly later on. The NanoHeat blanket is the perfect all-in-one blanket that is easy to carry with you everywhere, providing you warmth with 80% heat-reflective coating on one side to reflect your body heat back to you to keep you warm and comfortable. The NanoHeat is also water-resistant and windproof, with a durable water-repellent finish that sheds raindrops and spills to keep you dry and warm, and the blanket clean. The blanket is extremely compact and packs into an easy-to-carry bag that fits into the palm of your hand and weighs a mere 6.8 ounces. The NanoHeat is the perfect all-in-one blanket to take with you on your next adventure. Whether traveling, camping, watching a ball game, or just hanging out at the park, the NanoHeat is the perfect companion to help keep you warm and dry. Unlike other bulky blankets, the NanoHeat is ultra-compact, packing into the palm of your hand, and so lightweight, you won't even notice it in your bag.
It can happen anytime. You desperately need a fire but don't have matches or a lighter. Be prepared with the emergency fire starter from Zippo Outdoor. It comes in a lightweight, waterproof case. In fact, it floats. Just fray a tinder stick, spark it with the flint wheel, and light your fire. The Zippo Emergency Fire Starter features a waterproof case with a flip-top lid. It holds 4 water-resistant replaceable wax tinder sticks. The genuine Zippo flint wheel is unidirectional. It only sparks in one direction so that it throws an increased amount of spark reliably time after time. The flint wheel can be turned for right or left-handed use. The Emergency Fire Starter, for warmth, for signaling, for peace of mind.